Imagine an AI tool that is better than ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini combined. That's what I have for you today. A new tool out on the market that is more powerful than all three of these. It's actually more powerful or as powerful as nine AIs combined. It's that powerful. So I'm going to be sharing with you in this video what this tool is, how you can use it, and one of the best, most powerful use cases that you can use it on your website to create a killer homepage. So make sure you stick all the way to the end to see the finished product, because truly what this AI tool did is so phenomenal. It's so amazing. And the way that it thinks is unlike anything you've ever seen before. Okay, so the tool that I'm telling you about, this amazing AI tool, is called GenSpark SuperAgent. Now, GenSpark SuperAgent was just released in April of 2025. And over here, when you go to genspark.ai, you're going to be greeted by this page. Over here, you could see like all these different news and stuff like that, or things that might be of interest. But that's definitely not what is so amazing about it. What is so amazing is this over here on the left-hand side. We're going to take a look at the super agent first, and you're going to take a look at all these different things. And this company is super amazing because every single week, it seems like they're dropping some kind of new feature. They're doing something absolutely killer, and they've just been killing it for the last times. You can even do things like call for me, and then we're going to see something very, very intriguing and special about what they have with their agents. So let's take a look first of all at what is GenSpark SuperAgent, and this is what it is. It says, "Hey, GenSpark is a U.S. company and it's Singapore-based investors, and it represents autonomous AI agent technology." All right, and here's the thing that makes it so amazing is that it has a mixture of agents architecture. So it doesn't just have ChatGPT, it doesn't just have Claude. It has 9 distinct large language models working in concert together. And this is also different. Like, for example, I want to show you one of the AI tools that I have, this thing called Chat Playground. And what this one does is that basically when you go over there, you can go to this tool over here and you can give it a prompt and it can compare different AI models. So you would basically put in your prompt over here, and here's all these different 6 AIs, and you put it in there. And then after that, you can compare the AIs. Well, this is it takes quite a bit of time, and then each AI is working separately. Okay, and there's a bunch of different companies that do this, where you can compare the different LLMs. But what's different about GenSpark is that they're using the 9 distinct LLMs like Claude, Gemini, and all the other ones in concert together to create for you one super answer. So this is one of the things that really makes them stand apart. And they have over 80 specialized tools for different task types. We're going to go over some of these task types today. They have more than 10 proprietary data sets, as opposed to each LLM usually only has one data set. So this has 10 that it can draw from. And it can do a lot of things. It can do like trip planning. You can think like, oh, well, trip planning's been done before with other AIs. Well, not this way. You can actually like make a trip, and then after that have it call the hotel and have it make a reservation for you, or call the restaurant and make a reservation for you, all in basically one chat session. And that is amazing. And also it's free. You can start for free. You get 200 credits per day, which is very generous. You can do a lot of things with 200 credits, and every day those 200 credits they reset. So that's amazing. It can do content creation, application development, real world interactions. They can make the AI powered phone calls. It can do direct API integration, transparent reasoning. It shows exactly how it reasons. It can create videos for you, so you wouldn't need like a separate subscription to like VO3 by Google or by Sora by AI. It can create websites for you, presentations, audio for you. It gives you the 200 free credits, like I was mentioning, and it has like all these different use cases that it can be done. But how it compares to competitors, how does it compare to other LLMs, other AIs? It can compare to Manus and OpenAI Operator. It's got more extensive model integration using 9 LLMs. It's got direct API usage. It's got broader tool coverage. It's got real world interaction, and it has easier accessibility. It's an amazing tool. I've been using it, guys, for a while, and this is absolutely phenomenal. I mean, this tool really can save you so much time and money. So let's go ahead and do the first use case over here. And one of the great things that you could do is that you can create a killer homepage for your website. And that's going to be really important. So over here, this is my website, Proof of Support, and we're a web design agency. We build websites for our clients to help them get more sales and where they can delegate, and give us tasks every single month, and we'll take care of it for them for an affordable investment. So I want to create a brand new homepage. And let's say you want to create a brand new homepage. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start speaking because speaking is a lot faster than typing. And I'm just going to say like this. And you can basically get the transcript from YouTube and go ahead and copy and paste it, and you'll be able to get the same prompt. Right, but this is what you'd want to say. Here's a link to my website. I want you to go through this page and learn more about my business. Then I want you to create a brand new homepage for me. I want you to create all of the text for each section, but I want you to follow the StoryBrand format and framework for creating homepages. Make sure that you create amazing text for each section, and I want the text to result in high conversions for my ideal clients. My ideal clients are business owners who need to delegate their website tasks out to a web design agency like myself. Here's the link to my website that I was telling you about. All right, so we're going to do that. It's going to go ahead and paste it, all with the correct formatting. And now we're going to go ahead and let it work and see it over here. As you can see, it's thinking. Now, one of the cool things about GenSpark is that as it's thinking, it's showing you how it understands and says, hey, I'm going to help you create a new homepage for your business following the StoryBrand framework. First, let me examine your current website to better understand your business. That's exactly what it does, right? Using one of the tools that it has, it's going to use the read tool to go over here. Now, check this out. I had only put in my surface support in the prompt. That's it. But look what it did. It went on its own, and it started reading all of these different areas over here. All right. And that is so amazing. So it went and it started reading but on its own and added the about page, added the services page. And it says, hey, now that I have a good understanding of your business, I'll create a new homepage using the StoryBrand framework. This framework focuses on clarifying your message and positioning your customer as the hero of their story, with your business as the guide that helps them succeed. Yes, exactly it. And this is so amazing. So this is phenomenal. All right. And then after that, it's going to go ahead and now it's creating the web tool. Now, if you want to see how it's looking and what it's looking like in real time, over here, it's adding all of this page. Now, this is amazing because it's actually creating images on its own. So this is what makes it so unique as opposed to using ChatGPT and Gemini, is that now you might not understand what this code is doing, but if you take, I actually do, since this is my niche, and it's actually creating images as we speak into the code. And with the final result, as soon as it comes out, you'll be able to use this to create an amazing homepage. You'll be able to either recreate it yourself, you'll be able to use it if you want to in your business on your website, or you'll be able to give it to one of your employees or a virtual assistant or something like that to be able to recreate it. So let's go ahead and wait to see what the final image is going to look like. Okay, so GenSpark just finished creating the page, and oh my gosh, it did an amazing job. I'm so excited to show it to you. So first of all, you have over here, the code is thinking. This is the code over here. If you want to see how it thought the process and says, hey, I need to create a high converting homepage for surplus support following the StoryBrand framework. And it came up with all the different sections of the homepage. It says, here's the hero section, the problem statement section, the guide introduction, how it's going to position me to be the guide. I mean, this is exactly what we want. All right. And then after that, over here, it shows you, hey, the new homepage for StoryBrand. I've created a new homepage and I've done it exactly. And it shows you exactly what it's done over here. And it tells you what were the sections that were included. So if you wanted to understand how it thought and why this is such an amazing way to create a homepage, you could do it. And now for the big reveal, take a look at this preview. The preview, this is what it looks like, okay? So before I show it to you, I'm going to go ahead and open it up in a new window and show it to you so you can see it. All right, so here it is, and you actually have a actual working URL that actually can be used if you actually wanted to. So this is what it showed us. Stop wasting time on your website, start growing your business. amazing headline. Business owners like you shouldn't have to choose between managing their website or focusing on your company. We build sales generating websites that so you can get back to what matters. Wow, perfectly said. And it got even my rating. I got 5.5, on Google, so that's wonderful. And then talks about the problem section, the 3 website problems killing your growth, time drain, missed sales, technical frustration. And you could see it even created images for me. It got the brand colors. Look at my brand colors. This is exactly the correct brand color for my website. If you take a look at it, so that would be exactly what I would want to put this navy blue color over here. It's exactly right. Wow. It even picked that up. That's how smart and intelligent it is. All right. How we turn your websites into a 24/7 sales machine. It comes up with all these different things that we also do. The 3-step process, strategy consultation, launch and growth. And it gives, these are my actual clients, and this is exactly what they said about me. So it also got that right. That was amazing. It brought in actual use cases for, these are actual projects and actual my clients that we've actually done websites for. So that was correct. The cost of inaction, this is a great way to put it in. Lost revenue, wasted time, damaged reputation. There's a better way. I mean, this is, if you take a look at it, this is just amazing. Hey, what makes us unique? Hey, results focused, swift turnaround, customer first approach. I mean, it's just an amazing, amazing way. It even created a form for people to fill out so they can get in touch and request a consultation. And I promise you, wow, super good. So this is such an amazing tool, and honestly, I can't think of anything that can even match the high quality that this company does. GenSpark. It's such an amazing tool. It's just the tip of the iceberg. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be making more videos like this about other tools and how we can use GenSpark to take it to the next level. And if you are thinking about using GenSpark, drop a comment below and tell me how you're planning on using it, and I'll see you in the next video.